changing the water further down to Port Royal. This is supposed to can last them now right back until I reach. But they don't die. Right? Okay. So put that down there, so. Let's go now. Alright, so that is it. Alright, so Port Royal is the place. I see some weed outside there. I don't know if you're going to come down my side. Right time I'm ready to leave. I don't know. I just keep watching it. You know? Yeah. So I'm going to set out the first rod, alright? First one I'm going to set out. This rod is my permit rod. I catch all my permits on this rod. Not the reel, I change the reel. I try out, well, I'm not trying out this one. I know this reel can do the job, but I just feel like I want to use this reel today. You know, the permit reel kind of retrieve too slow, so see if this one making a difference. I'm put out a bang right now. This line feel shape up though. Hold on. Can go one more time. Alright, so let's put out this rod and see what I can catch now. Whoa! Water boot! Water boot! Water boot for now. Out there, alright? There's number one rod out. Well, there's only two rods we have. Number one. Alright? Let us see if anything is out there now. Alright, so that is number one. Let's see now with number two. Sometimes as I put out the first one, I'm going to put out the second one, you know. First one run off. So you have to be careful now what I'm doing. Watch that one. Carefully. Keenly. Alright, so I'm going to put this one right here, so I'm not going to go too far. I'll go to that side. Okay? I wonder if I should go to that side. I'm going to try this side first. See if I can get anything on this side first, and then I'll move down a little further. Pull this reel, so I'll stay like that. Yes, I'm on. This one is another one. I put it out again. So there you go. a little bit deeper than up the top, you know. Here, sir. No, like a little bit deeper. So. Anyhow, see there guys, both rods are out now. I have to keep a little tension on the line because you have some trash at the front of the shore right there, so keeping on the line. A bit of trash, so I just keep it stiff at the trash, you don't come up on the line. So as soon as I get a hook up in the guys, I get back to you, alright? Stay tuned. Come here. Come here. So this is a blue runner. See him there guys? Nice like a blue runner. See him there? Beautiful, eh? Blue runner. As I put out the bait, so let me take it up. Tell me now. Go into the ice box. Oh yeah, flash up. Oh yeah, flash up. Into the ice box. Catch another bait and put on, but up here, tough me have no, I cannot tough it in. Simple as that. And a toughy. Alright, put on a toughy. Just put on back a toughy. So from morning I have the rods them out there with live bait. It's just now I catch a little blue runner. Can you imagine that, man? He don't even reach a pound. I don't think he reach a pound yet. Eh? Eat off the big bang. That big bang, what put on it in and eat off the big bang. Oh, another one. Another one. You know, if I get another one, I draw a while ago. See there. Go on with it, swallow it. Fish on. Hey, one more. Feel like another one. A small blue one of them are running off. Another one again. See it? Them just come up now, eh? Another blue runner. Come here. Where you going? Come here. I said come here. Come here. Come here, man. Where you going? Another one again, eh? See there again, guys. Another one. Another blue runner. See there? Blue runner there again around Port Royal, you know? So another one. Let me take him off. Just start to catch something. Alright. What do I call this now? Blue runner soup. Let's see, a blue runner soup you deal with. Come on, behave yourself. I need to get this out of your mouth, so don't behave like that. Chop. Come on. See it, my peeps. One more blue runner. Blue runner number 2. Put him in the ice box there. Alright, so see there, 2 blue runner. Put on another live bait again and throw it out. Alright, see there again. Another one. We're gonna pack up and leave here now, guys. So I only managed to catch 2 blue runners, 2 small ones. So I'm just gonna take them home and cook them up. Do something with them, you know. maybe I make some blue runner fish sandwich or something, you know. But when I reach home, I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do with it. I think I'm gonna make 2 sandwiches with it, you know. 2 fish sandwich. Because I have some things at the house, so I'm gonna make up 2 sandwich and call it a day. So we're gonna pack up now and leave it at this place, alright? So we catch you at home. Fish on. Alright peeps, see there? Blue runners are caught today. See there? 1, 2 blue runner. Alright guys, so what we have here now? Blue runner. So catch you in the kitchen, alright? Alright guys, so there we are now, yeah, in the kitchen. I just put the fish in some egg and stuff to marinate for a little while, season up and everything. And then we have a little bit of breadcrumb right there. We're going to put it in, we're going to dip the fish in the crumbs and fry it. And then we have some tomato right there, sliced tomato, so sliced salad. And we have some lettuce leaves there. They call this lettuce romaine lettuce, you know. And just the regular white bread, because we don't have any at the bread they call it the bun. They call it bun what they used to make burger or sandwich. I just have the regular white bread, and that is it. Right? So there we go now. So let us get busy now. Frying time. Okay guys, there we are now, yeah? We're ready now, sandwich time, yeah? See there? Everything ready. We have a little mayonnaise here, we're going to put on it. And some ketchup. Alright, so let's go now. Alright, so we put a little mayonnaise on that, you know. I know some people don't like mayonnaise, but I like it, so I just put it onto it, alright. If you don't want it, you don't put it onto it, alright. And then we're gonna put on the fish now, which is like the fish them too small. Oops, no, don't do that. Right. And then we're gonna put on and there you go guys, there's a sandwich. Alright, that's my blue runner fish sandwich. That is my homemade sandwich, you know. This is not a restaurant. So this is my homemade sandwich. So this is how I make my sandwich, alright? So this is for me and mommy now. So I'm going to put them together and that's it. Alright guys, so that is my blue runner sandwich, alright? Blue runner jack sandwich. Just do a little quick thing, you know. Through night coming down and stuff, evening falling quick, you know. So just do a little quick thing, right? So that is my little knickknacks right now, right? So, you know guys, if you like this video, you know, shoot us a thumbs up, alright? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And always press that notification bell. And as always man, thanks for watching. And we'll see you on the next one. Fish on.